Have you ever wondered what exactly stands between your private life and government intrusion? What level of proof does a law enforcement officer need to obtain permission to search your home or seize your property? The legal standard for probable cause for warrants means there must be a fair probability that contraband or evidence of a crime will be found. This is the crucial threshold that must be met before a judge will authorize a search or arrest warrant. This standard is rooted in the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. It requires law enforcement officers to present specific, objective facts to a neutral judge, demonstrating a reasonable belief that a crime has occurred and that evidence related to that crime exists in the place to be searched. It is not based on mere suspicion or a hunch, but on concrete information. To establish this standard, an officer typically submits a sworn affidavit to a judge. This document details all the facts and circumstances that lead the officer to believe probable cause exists. The judge then reviews these facts, applying a totality of the circumstances test. They consider all the information presented, weighing its reliability and relevance to determine if a fair probability indeed exists. An interesting detail here is that the probable cause cannot be based on stale information. If the facts presented are too old, they might no longer indicate that evidence is currently present in the location to be searched. Another important aspect is the exclusionary rule, which generally dictates that evidence obtained without probable cause, and thus an invalid warrant, cannot be used against a person in court. Understanding probable cause is essential because it is a foundational principle safeguarding your constitutional rights. It acts as a vital check on government power, ensuring that law enforcement actions are justified by specific evidence, rather than arbitrary decisions, thereby preserving individual privacy and security.